Hi friends, my name is Purvasha Mishra and today we will learn how we can prepare Chana Dal Halwa in our Panasonic microwave oven. So let's check the ingredients. Here I have taken around 200 grams of Chana Dal which I have soaked overnight. Now the first thing we should do, that is to grind the Chana Dal. And for grinding the chana dal, we need to cook the chana dal for around 5 minutes in micro high power. So let's cook the chana dal. Here I am taking around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Next, here I am adding the soaked chana dal. I have already strained out the water. Now mix it nicely. I'm going to cover this bowl and keep it inside the microwave. Press the microwave button P100, keep it for 5 minutes and then start. Now let's check after 5 minutes. Now this is how we have sorted the chana dals, and after it cools down I will just grind it coarsely in a mixer grinder. So here, after the chana dal got cooled down, I have grind the chana dal coarsely and kept it in a bowl without mixing anything to it. And here the rest of the ingredients which I am going to use right now is ghee, 4 tablespoons, again coarsely grind cardamoms, few cardamoms I have taken, sugar and milk as per requirement. So first of all, which I am going to do is take a deep glass bowl, and here I will be taking 4 tablespoons of ghee. And to this I am going to add this chana dal. Mix it nicely. And this I am going to keep in micro high power for 4 minutes. Micro high power P100, 4 minutes and then start. So let's check. Now here I'll add the grind cardamom, sugar as per taste, and along with this let me add a little more sugar. along with this, I'll also add milk. One glass of milk. Now this again, I'll keep it in high power for 5 minutes. Let me keep it inside. Close the door. High power. 5 minutes. Start. So here I have transferred the sweet dish in a nice bowl, and also I have garnished it with a few chopped almonds. You can also garnish it with your choice of nuts. Hope you have enjoyed my recipe, and keep watching our Panasonic YouTube channel Unwind the Chef in You till I make some another video, and goodbye.